Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Liz Charlton. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I like to eat in a day. Firstly, we got to start off with breakfast. We got to start the day right. I'm going to be making egg sandwich and I'm just going to drink a cup of green tea on the side.
Fine, just give you time. Just know that you are still mine. Peace of mine. You give me that all the time. You give me that all the time. And I like that. It's obvious that you're the last. Everyone knows where I match. Baby, look at the contrast. And I'm aware if I'm never a millionaire that you would never really care. Cause I know that you'll be right there, I know you care. And we will never really be perfect, but girl, I know you deserve it. So I will always be working and learning. Fine, just give you time. Just know that you are still mine.
After about say one and a half hour to girl, I am hungry, so I decided to just go in and have a protein yogurt. This one has around 20 grams of protein in it. It's not the tastiest, it's very thick, it's very cloudy, but I'm getting my protein. So I guess this wasn't really for the taste.
All I want is for you to be right here. I know I got a lot of
for my next meal for the day, I'm gonna be having some bun and cheese. It's around Easter time. You know, if you're Jamaican, you have to have like a bun and cheese in your household. So this was really easy for me to just grab and eat. So this is what I'm having for like a snack in between meals.
I don't care if you're not a millionaire. Baby, what we have is rare. I won't let anything take away what we have.
Guys, if you don't butter your bun and then put the cheese and then add it to the microwave a little bit, what are you doing? You actually need to try this if you haven't already, because it slaps differently.
Nothing, even if I need a little space. Nothing, everything will fall into place. You think that you are fine.
Girl, I'm still snacking. A girl loves to eat. What can I say? I'm just having some hummus and breadsticks. This is one of my favorite snacks as well. It's just really good. It's not everyone's cup of tea, but I really love eating this.
You give me that all the time. You give me that all the time.
So it is time to make dinner, and can you guess what I'm gonna make? I'm gonna be making some Jamaican style curry chicken. You know you have to burn the curry first before you start cook up your curry chicken, because you know why your belly at you. So I'm going ahead and burn my curry before I add my curry chicken to the pot, and I'm making this with some white rice.
You are fine. Just give you time. Just know that you are still mine. Mine. You give me that all the time. You give me that all the time.
No cap. You the one I could love forever. Who I know who could love me better. You could ask me whatever, whenever. Got me feeling as high as a tenor. No cap. Been there, done that. We've been where.
Honestly, look at that. This chicken came out so good, and I decided to do it with chicken breast because it has the most protein.
Press back when much younger. You say you got ghosts, I got ghosts too. Heard you got angels, heard they do the most too.
So in the night, I like to end with a cup of tea, and I decided to go with chamomile. This just helps me to wind down in the night. It also helps me to digest after having such a heavy meal.
Oh, but it never goes to pick up the phone.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below if you like videos like this, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next one. Bye.